Hi everyone, welcome back to my planet. This is Ananya. Today's video is basically an unboxing video. I have ordered some plant from an online store that is Ugaoo. Most of the people have bad experience with their online living plant order. They complained about they cannot survive or receive a damaged product. You just have to remember some basic point before ordering living plants. One of them is climate. In India, February, March, April, September and October is the best time to order plant because your plant cannot survive or cannot tolerate the transit rate during very harsh weather like very much cold or very much hot. So you just have to order plant in February, March, April, September and October. So second and most important thing is reporting. Do not report immediately after receiving. Wait at least 2 to 3 weeks. Especially from Ugaoo, they have sent a 6-month slow release fertilizer with their soil that does not need immediate change of soil mix or reporting. Let's unbox. They just gave clear instructions about unboxing on their plant container, and the container are made from 100% recyclable material, so don't worry about that, they are environmental friendly. Their packaging are very much satisfying. Let's just check the first box. I am very much excited to see what is inside because it takes almost 5 to 6 days. So let's just check what is inside. So wow, this plant is Chlorophytum comosum, or you just say it spider plant or spider ivy. Just keep them in indirect bright light or your shady balcony. They just love to grow. Okay, coming to the next part, and let's check what is inside. So the next plant is Wandering Jew, or its scientific name is Tradescantia zebrina. Looks like a very perfect house plant, and keep them in indirect bright light and they will grow like crazy. Now coming to the third or last package, let's just check what is inside. Oh my god, this is my favorite plant from Calathea family, and this is Calathea Freddy. They just love humidity, keep them in bright spot and mist regularly. So one of their best feature of the pot is self-watering pot. When you forget to water or going outside for a few days, you just fill the water in the bottom pot and the plant take the water through the capillary action. Another advantage when you give water to your plant, that excess water just stay in the bottom pot. That's very cool idea. It's a very good idea avoiding wastage of water. You just can give the water to the another pot. So next and last, that coming to their soil mixture that I have mentioned earlier, they will provide 6 months slow release fertilizer. Along with that, this gel, you can just see top of the soil. This gel hold the moisture when the plant need moisture. And this gel is basically a hydrogel that is specially designed to retain or release water when the plant is needed. They just deliver the plant in very much good conditions. The leaves become little brown and crisp due to sunlight for 5 or 6 days. That is okay. You just keep them in direct sunlight for 1 hour. Tada! You become a plant parent. Just bring them in your house and increase aesthetic value of your interior. We will just update you soon about their growth, and coming up next their pros and cons and all about them. Thanks for watching. So that's all about today. Keep growing plant, keep our earth green and be happy. Please like, share and subscribe our channel. Bye bye.